Hi friend, who are you, my dear?
I am good. And what's your
Who are
name?
you?
I am Aditya. And what's your name?
My name is Mohammed Mohsin. And where are you from?
I am from Bala. From
You
where
are
do you
from
come?
Bala?
Yes, sir.
I am coming from Handia. You know about Handia?
Yes, I know very well about India.
Okay.
Can you tell me
What?
something about India?
Yes, I can tell you about Handia.
What?
Handia is a very famous places now at this time.
Okay.
Okay, where are you from?
I come from Bala.
What is famous in Bala?
Something is not famous in Bala because that is village.
Okay, what is your father name, my dear?
My father name is Mr. Triyodi Narayan. What's your father name?
My father name is Mahmood Ahmed. And what is he?
He is a farmer. And what is your father?
My father is a barber. You know about barber?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Uh,
how many sisters and how many brothers have you?
okay, I have four brother and one sister.
Or sister?
Yeah.
And,
Okay, why are you standing here, my dear?
I am standing here for talking with you.
Before some time, where were you?
Before some time I was in coaching.
No, my dear, you are telling a lie. Before some time, you
No,
are at home.
no. I had come at 8 o'clock at here.
Okay.
Yes. And
Okay, now at this time, what are you doing?
I'm learning English and I'm reading.
What is your qualification?
My qualification is in 9th class. I'm reading.
So what is your school name?
My school name is National Intermediate College. And
Who is the principal of this college?
Ajay Kumar Mishra.
Ajay Kumar Mishra.
Yes.
Where is he?
I don't know.
You don't know about him?
Yeah, I know about I don't know about him, but I know him name.
Okay.
And in which class do you read?
I am pursuing BSc, my dear, not this
Yes,
time.
from where you are
You know about
pursuing?
Mahavidyalay?
Mahavidyalay?
Yeah.
From where is Mahavidyalay?
Mahavidyalay in front of pillar number 9.
Pillar number 9.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you know about Mahavidyalay?
No, I don't know.
You don't know about
I'm
Mahavidyalay?
listening first time this name Mahavidyalay.
Okay.
Can you tell me how many teachers are at
I
there?
don't know about I don't.
What
Because I don't want to go to Delhi.
Delhi. And who is principal to that college?
Huh?
Who is principal?
I think Har Pratap Singh Yadav.
Pratap Singh Yadav. And
I don't know, but yeah, I am telling a lie. It doesn't matter. I will give answer only.
yeah.
Okay, what is the benefit of this coaching? Please tell me.
This coaching is very important for everyone because now one who comes here then he cannot say this I had gone in that coaching and I am not speaking English and other boys goes in other coaching they say that I have given money at there but the teacher doesn't teach very well, that's why I am not speaking English well. That's why this coaching is very important for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, my dear. Okay. What is the benefit of this jacket?
This
Please tell me.
jacket, yes, I can tell you because in the cold season, without wearing you cannot live. You can lie.
Huh?
You can lie. You can die without wearing this jacket because the cold season is going on nowadays.
So where had you purchased?
I had purchased in India.
You had purchased in Handia.
Yeah.
Where had you purchased?
I had purchased in Hariom. Hariom
Acha,
shop.
Hariom shop.
Yes.
Okay. Please tell me about something about Hariom.
In Hariom shop, I hadn't gotten because my brother had brought this jacket.
Okay, your brother had brought.
Yes.
Okay, my dear.
And
Okay, would you like to tell me what your brother name?
my brother's name is Sandeep.
Sandeep.
Yes.
Only Sandeep and Sandeep Kumar, Sandeep Mishra.
Sandeep Yadav.
Sandeep Yadav.
Yeah.
What is he doing for you?
Nowadays he is doctor.
He is a doctor.
Yeah.
Which type of doctor?
He is animals doctor.
Animal doctor.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is going on in your life?
Nothing special, my dear.
Why?
Because
Then you are a dog.
no, my dear, I'm not dog. But
Because nothing is special
nothing
going
is
on.
special. It doesn't matter, my dear. Nothing is special. What's going on? What's going on? Nothing is special. But it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, my
Why?
dear.
Because and what's your brother's name?
My brother name is Muhammad Samir. You know about Muhammad Samir? He is a creator, video creator.
Radio creator.
Yeah.
And he is elder you, elder
Yeah,
than you.
yeah, he's elder.
Yeah.
He is elder.
Elder than
He's elder than me.
Okay.
Okay.
And what is he now? Where is he?
He is at Pune. You know about
Pune.
Pune?
I have listened name, but I don't know about Pune.
Okay, Pune, Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Okay. It doesn't. Okay. Would you like to tell me
What?
what is the price of this shoes?
I hadn't purchased because my brother had purchased this shoes.
Your brother had.
Yeah, I don't go for purchasing clothes for me because my brother brought.
Okay, every person is using mobile, you know very well.
Yeah.
But the every person is using bad thing, using bad thing with the help of mobile. Then what's your opinion about this guy?
This because the mobile is very good because if you are watching in a wrong video in mobile, then it is your thought. Because one who had made mobile, then he hadn't mobile he hadn't made the mobile for watching a like this video. Because he had made mobile now that everyone talk to each other like you are here and you can call your brother at Pune
Okay.
and you can talk to each other very well.
Today, what had you eaten?
I had eaten nothing.
You had eaten nothing.
No. And nowadays, what are you doing?
Nowadays, I am learning English. Okay, what do you want to become, my dear?
I want to become a cricketer.
Then you know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat Kohli and there are lots of
Yeah.
cricketer also. Would you like to tell me about something?
Yes, because they are a big cricketer.
They are big cricketer.
Yeah, in
How
whole-
can you say that is a big cricketer?
They are big cricketer because what you cannot think they had done.
Oh my god.
Yeah, in whole world.
Okay. Do you know about
If you will ask in other in other country, then they will tell about Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat Kohli.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
you're not saying right. Okay, would you
Because
like
who
would you like
doesn't
to
know
tell me-
about Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat
I
Kohli?
know very well, my dear. Do you know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Yeah, you will be also fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni
Yeah,
and
I'm
Virat
al-
Kohli.
yeah. No, I'm not a fan of Virat Kohli. I'm fan of only Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Yeah. Okay, would you like to tell me?
Then why do you like to Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Okay, I wanna tell because there are lots of players under the Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Because Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous cricketer now at this time. Do you know every person are telling about Mahendra Singh Dhoni because
But how do you
because
say
they-
that everyone is saying about Mahendra Singh Dhoni now?
Because they have fun,
A
because
lot
they have
of
fun,
a lot
yeah.
of people are saying Virat Kohli.
I know Virat Kohli is also good cricketer, but Mahendra Singh is also a good cricketer, my dear. You know, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the greatest cricketer in the long run.
In long run.
In the long run, I guess.
Long run. But how can you say that?
I can say that.
Virat Kohli is not.
I don't know about Virat Kohli. I know about
Only
Mahendra Singh Dhoni only.
Then why? How can you say that you know about only Mahendra Singh Dhoni? You are also Indian people.
It doesn't matter. I'm also Indian people, but I like Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
If you will like anyone, then you will like only you will know about that person,
Yeah, I know only about that person.
and you don't want to know about other person.
No, I don't know about the other person. I know only CSK. CSK. I'm not interested about RCB.
Okay, but you can tell me who is the owner of CSK?
I don't know about who is the owner of CSK. I don't know about.
What? Then what are you telling about CSK?
I know very
You
well
are fan
about
of CSK.
Yeah, I know.
Now, then why you don't know about CSK?
I don't know about this is the owner of the team, but I know about this captain of this team. Only Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Nowadays Mahendra Singh Dhoni is not captain of CSK. Okay.
It doesn't matter, my dear. But,
Why? Why it doesn't matter? Because
you know about,
if you don't know name of CSK's honors name,
Yeah.
then how are you fan of CSK?
I am fan only Mahendra Singh Dhoni. That
No, Mahendra
because
Singh Dhoni, I
Mahendra
know.
Singh Dhoni is a
Yeah.
very best cricketer in CSK team.
Yes, sir. Yes. I know also Mahendra Singh Dhoni because Mahendra Singh Dhoni plays from CSK.
Yeah.
Then you should know about CSK.
No, I don't know about that is a owner name because
Why?
I don't know about.
If anyone will ask, then what will you tell?
I don't know about
Why?
what.
If anyone will ask that who is the owner of CSK, then what will you tell?
Only I'm saying I know very
No.
well about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I don't know
But
about.
why?
Huh?
Why are you knowing about Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
I know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
What
I
is
know very well, my dear.
what is
about
the
Mahendra
reality
Singh
of
Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
There
Tell
are
me.
lots of reality about
What?
Mahendra Singh. Okay, I can explain one by one. You know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the biggest cricketer in the CSK team. In the other team, every team has indeed about Mahendra Singh Dhoni because Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a very biggest cricketer in the Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the biggest cricketer in CSK team. Then how can you say that?
No, yeah. According to me, none knows about CSK.
Okay.
Because nowadays cricket gods everyone say cricket gods of Virat Kohli because Virat Kohli has broken the records of Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, I know very well.
Then how can you say that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the biggest
But
cricketer?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni is also biggest cricketer, my dear.
But how?
You know about Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli. Sorry. You know, my dear,
What
about
do you know?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
No, I am not asking Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
No,
I want to ask that how is
Virat
no. I want to ask how Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the biggest cricketer. You
I
should tell
wanna
me.
say, my dear.
What?
I wanna say.
Then speak that.
I wanna speak, my dear. You know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni had played, I think, 2001 too, and Virat Kohli also 2000. Virat Kohli had played 2006 and 7. That is the reality because Mahendra Singh Dhoni was the biggest cricketer.
Everyone knows
Everyone
that. According to me, now everyone knows Virat Kohli because Virat Kohli is god of cricket. Because if Mahendra Singh Dhoni is playing from 2001 and Virat Kohli is playing 2007, then why Mahendra Singh Dhoni why hadn't Mahendra Singh Dhoni broken the record of Sachin Tendulkar?
Okay, I wanna explain.
If he is the biggest cricketer, then why hadn't he broken? Why didn't he break? If you don't know about Mahendra Singh Dhoni, then why are you saying that I am fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni?
Okay, I wanna say something about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Okay. Before some time you spoke Mahendra Singh Dhoni had played 2001 and Virat Kohli played 2001 and Virat Kohli had played from 2007. Then the MS Dhoni had also played with Sachin Tendulkar. With Sachin Tendulkar, not Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli
I
is
know.
children at this time, my dear. Now at
No,
this time.
how did you say?
I can say
No,
we know about
If you will ask anyone, then he will say that
Virat Kohli is also child and now at this time, my dear.
Virat Kohli is the god of cricket. Now this time.
Now at-
how can you
now
say
at this time-
If
now
Mahendra
at-
Singh Dhoni has
because
played
every
with Sachin Tendulkar, but how can you say
because
that? Why did he break
every person are knowing about Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
No.
Knows about Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
I
But
cannot
why?
accept your
Because
word. I
Mahendra
cannot
Singh,
accept your
because
word.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni had played 2001. The Virat Kohli since 2001.
Yeah, I know.
Then how can you say that?
Now everyone said that Virat Kohli is the
Everyone is not saying, my dear.
Why?
Only RCB fans only know telling about you.
No, everyone say
only every RCB fans knows about Virat Kohli, because Virat Kohli not this time got this tournament, this IPL. Then how can you say that, my dear, Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a good, not a...
If Mahendra Singh Dhoni has played with Sachin Tendulkar, then why didn't he break him records?
I don't, because Mahendra Singh Dhoni had played number 7 number, 5 number and 7 number. The Virat Kohli is the opener, my dear. That's why
He has also played at 3 number. In 3 number he had also.
Then he had played 5 number and 7 number, my dear. That is a very different. That is a very different about that and that.
Then how are you saying, why are you saying that the Mahendra Singh Dhoni is biggest cricketer?
I can say that, my dear. Everyone knows about Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
No, if he has not broken the records of Sachin Tendulkar, then how do you say that?
Now at this time, Mahendra Singh Dhoni was old, my dear, oldest. You know that is the, I think 70 and 57-year-old, and the Virat Kohli the 37 and 40-year-old. That is very different about that and that.
That is not compulsory. But who has broken the record of Sachin Tendulkar?
Yeah, I know very well. Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli has broken the record of Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah, I know very well. But the Mahendra Singh Dhoni had played about 7 number and 5 number. The Virat Kohli had played 3 number and 4 number. That is a very...
Yeah, I know also that before some time you said that Mahendra Singh Dhoni is the oldest cricketer. Yeah, I accept this. But if he is the oldest cricketer, then he should break records of Sachin Tendulkar before Virat Kohli. Why couldn't he break a record of Sachin Tendulkar?
I don't know about, my dear.
Yes, you are listening carefully that how to discuss and how to debate. Debating is very important. Before some time, you felt that which type of words are using by the students, it is depend upon your thought. Which type of question was created by the students, it is depend upon your thought. How many question can be created by you, because the word is depend upon you. The word's thought is depend upon you. You don't think what is the reality of things. When you think, automatically, when you practice, automatically, you can keep out everything. While talking, never feel that you are speaking wrong. But you should talk on. Automatically your mind can be converted. Okay? इस तरीके से आपको फिर मिलते रहेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपसे मिलते हैं